If you are looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Altitude in diamond black crystal pearl with active lane management system, full speed forward collision warning, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, select terrain at system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino CJD, stock number 11018A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.